Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a nice glow effect for an anime video edit in CapCut. So what you need to do first is add your anime clips and then click on it and go to Cutout and click on remove background. Okay, after that click on a check icon and then save the video. Okay, then you can just go back and undo the removing background and now add the video that you've just exported as overlay. Okay, after that you can fit the size, then go to blend and choose filter. Okay, click on a check icon, then you need to go to video effects and on lens select the edge glow effect. Okay, adjust the durations of the glow effect and click on object and choose all videos. Okay, so it will go like this. You can adjust the glow into your liking. I'm going to go with 45. Then you need to click on a clip and go to adjust and increase the saturations. Okay, then after that you can also play along with the HSL. You can adjust the luminance, hue and saturations of each color in your video. Okay, after that when you're done with and satisfied with the result, you can just click on a check icon, then you can export your video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.